3 o'r gloch. Croeso nôl I 10 am 3. Helen dwi, shwd I chi? Mae hi'n braf yn Ton yr Efail eto, once again, heddiw. Da iawn. Okay, so heddiw, gwers 27. And I set you a challenge overnight to learn some lliwiau, some colours. So let's start with that. I'm going to show you an object. You tell me the lliw, the colour. D. D. Melyn. Melon, melyn. Melyn. Coch. Glas. Cap glas. Gwyn. Cap gwyn. And one more, a little bit more difficult maybe. The colour of my diary, dyddiadur Cymraeg, is porffor. Da iawn. So, yeah. Heddiw, gwers 27. And some of you may have seen already on Facebook that this is going to be the last 10 am 3. That's because we're moving into the second phase, if you like, of our new service for beginners. As next week we commence our online courses for beginners. We'll be studying independently online and gyda tutor. And over 1,300 of you have enrolled for these courses, so we look forward to meeting you. It's not the end of Facebook. I'll be back before long. Keep an eye on our Facebook page with a different format where you'll have an opportunity to ask me questions so we can get to grips to the things you need to know. Yfory, tomorrow, it's not actually the end. We've got one of our bank holiday specials, my video gyda eiri gwyn ac angharad. So cofiwch, remember to tune in tomorrow. Iawn. So heddiw, dwi eisiau adolygu. Dwi eisiau revise and see if we can take in everything we've learned over the last over the last 6 weeks. Gwers 27. So, Helen dwi. And we learned that dwi is so important for making up sentences about ourselves. Dwi'n darllen. How would you say I work? Dwi'n gweithio. Da iawn. Dwi'n gweithio. And from dwi to dyn ni'n gweithio. Da iawn. Dyn ni'n gyrru. Dyn ni'n gyrru. Then to talk about someone else, he does. Mae e'n. He reads. Mae e'n darllen. Watching cyw. Mae hi'n gwylio cyw. And of course, it's the same mae hi'n for the weather. It's fine. Mae hi'n braf. Ydy. Mae hi'n braf iawn. So, mae e, he is. Mae hi, she is. They are, mae nhw. They're reading. Mae nhw'n darllen. How about they're playing? Mae nhw'n chwarae. Da iawn. And then the questions. Wyt ti? Answer my questions. Wyt ti'n gyrru? Ydw. Wyt ti'n hoffi darllen? Ydw. Nac ydw. Wyt ti'n hoffi pizza? Ydw. Nac ydw. Or, if I'm talking to more than one, dichi. Dichi. Yeah? Dichi'n gyrru? Ydyn. Nac ydyn. If we're asking about someone else, ydy e? Ydy hi? Or the weather? Answer my questions. Ydy hi'n wyntog? Nac ydy. Ydy hi'n bwrw glaw? Nac ydy. Ydy hi'n braf? Ydy. So that's the present tense, and you've learned so many things to say. There's the handy do you want question, which is a little bit different. Dim yn. Wyt ti isie? Wyt ti isie? Ask me, do I want a coffee? Wyt ti isie coffee? Ydw, please. Ask me, do I want a tea? Wyt ti eisiau te? Na, ydw. Dim, diolch. Dwi ddim yn hoffi te. Da iawn. Ydy e, ydy hi, wyt ti, dych chi. Also with eisiau. Then we did the treiglad meddal, the soft notation. And we've seen it after o, meaning from, I, meaning to, and dy, meaning your. Yeah? Dwi'n dod o Donerefail. Dwi'n mynd I Gaerdydd I fynd i'r gwaith. And can you remember the phrase? For one person, wash your hands. Golcha dy ddwylo. So, dwylo, dy ddwylo. Da iawn, dy ddwylo. Your bowl, dy bêl. Your cap, dy gap. Da iawn. So, for the command, for one person, it's the a. Golcha dy ddwylo. How would we say eat? Bita. Da iawn. So, bita dy basta. Yeah? Bita dy afal. But there were two different, well, one particularly different. Can you remember how we say go? Cer. Go to bed. Cer i'r gwely. Go to sleep. Cer I gysgu. And the other one, a little bit different, but gwna. Gwna. Do or make. Do your work. Gwna dy waith. Make your bed. Gwna dy wely. So a is the ending for one person. The plural, if you're talking to more than one child, for example, is wch. So get up. Codwch. Sit down. Eisteddwch. Go. Ewch. Go to bed. Ewch i'r gwely. Go and play. Ewch I chwarae. And do is gwnewch. And we learned the nice phrase, gwnewch eich gore. Do your best. Gwnewch eich gore. Try it. Gwnewch eich gore. Da iawn. Diolch. And then finally this week, we've been asking questions about items maybe in the house. So how would we say, is there any milk here? South Wales. Oes llaeth yma? Gogledd, North Wales. Oes na lefrith yma? Yeah, and let me ask you some questions about lockdown. Oes rugby yn lockdown? Ac oes. Oes pêl-droed yn lockdown? Nac oes. Oes trenau yn lockdown? Oes, less, ond mae trenau. Does dim rugby, does dim pêl-droed, does dim theatr, does dim gigs, ond mae bysiau, mae trenau, mae siopau. So that was a very quick whistle-stop tour on what we've done so far. Dwi eisiau dweud diolch. Diolch i'r staff, diolch I Eirian, diolch I Eiri, diolch I Mair am helpu. And you haven't met Mark, but diolch I Mark hefyd, who's been working in the background. Diolch yn fawr. Yeah? The biggest thanks, of course, goes to you. Diolch I chi. Thanks for your company. The last 6 weeks, 3 o'r gloch, 10 am 3. Please keep an eye on our Facebook because next week we're going to publish a leaflet which will contain all the vocab we've had over the last 6 weeks and also the pattern. So something you can keep online or even print off to have by your side. But I very much hope that we'll meet lots of you once again yr wythnos nesaf, next week, in the new courses, and if not, very soon, back on FaceTime to answer your questions. Diolch yn fawr. Hwyl!